Hi children, good evening. See, up to 13th problem we discussed in the previous class. Today we will see the 14th one. Just first observe this figure. What is there? See, this is a triangle ABC, and this one, angle BCD is 125 degrees. What he is telling, these are all he has given. Whatever he has given in the problem I wrote here. Angle A is to angle B is A is to B is 2 is to 3 in 2 is to 3 ratio. So we have to find out angle A and angle B. So we already knew that exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior angles, sum of the two opposite interior angles. So angle BCD is equals to angle A plus angle B. We knew this. So this is given. What sum of the exterior angle is equals to the sum of the opposite interior angles. So angle A is to angle B is 2 is to x. So 2 is to x means 2x plus 3x is equals to 125 according to this one. So 2x plus 3x 5x is equals to 125. So x is equals to 125. If you transpose this 5 to the right hand side, here it is multiplying. If you transpose it, it becomes division. So divided by 5. 5 ones, 5 twos are 10, 2 is the remainder, 2, 5, 25, 5, 5 is 25. So x is equals to 25 degrees. Now we want angle A. X is 25. Angle A is equals to, that is 2 ratios. So angle A is equals to 2 into x. What is the value of x? Here 25. So 2 into x. 225 is 50 degrees. Angle A is 50 degrees. What about angle B? Angle B is in the ratio of 3. So 3x. So what is the value of x? X is 25. So 25 into 3, that is 75. Angle B is equals to 75 degrees. In this way we can find out angle A and angle B. He has given the ratios A is to B. So we can easily find out. First you have to find out the x value. Then you find angle A and angle B. Next, see the next problem, 15th one, that is, see here what he has given. First we discuss what he has given in the problem. DE is parallel to BC. That I wrote here. DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. And he has given two angles. Angle BAC. BAC. This angle is 35 degrees. What about this angle? Angle BCE. BCE. This angle is 102 degrees. So we have to find out first angle BCA. See, BCA. This angle we have to find out. See this one. If you observe these two angles, see here, angle ECB plus angle ACB is equals to 180 because they are linear pair. The sum of the two adjacent angles is 180. We call it as linear pair. Just write here linear pair. So according to this, angle ECB is equals to 102. We don't know angle ACB is equals to 180. So transpose this to the right hand side. Here it is doing addition. If you transpose it, it becomes subtraction. So 180 minus 102. 10 minus 2, 8, 7, 78 degrees. So this is 78 degrees. First one he asked you to find out angle BCA. BCA or ACB, both are equal. ACB or BCA. First one, that is finished. Angle BCA is equal to 78 degrees. See, next one, he asked you to find out angle ADE. ADE. This angle we have to find out. This angle we have to find out. See here, this one. How to find this one? See, angle ADE. ADE. This is 78. If this is 78, what about this one? In the triangle, CBA, in triangle BCA, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Sum angle sum property. Angle sum property. So, angle A is equal to 35. Angle B we don't know. Angle C is 78 is equal to 180. So, angle B is equal to 180. Add these two. 8 plus 5, 12. 8 plus 5, one more step we'll write. 12. So, 7 plus 3, 10, 11, 112. So, angle B is equal to 180 minus 112. 10 minus 2, 8. 7 minus 1, 6. 68. So, 1 minus 1, 0. Angle B is equal to 68 degrees. This angle is 68 degrees. We don't want this one. We want EDA. We want this one. ADE or EDA. Both are same. This angle we want. See, from this, we know this one. If you observe, these two are parallel lines. These two are equal. Angle EDA is equal to angle CBA. Angle CBA. Why? Because those are corresponding angles. See, if these two are parallel lines, this angle and this angle are corresponding, angles are equal. If two lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. So, angle EDA is equal to 68 degrees. Now, we found this one also completed. Now, we want CED. That means we want this angle. How to find out that angle? See, if these two lines are parallel, angle ACB is equal to angle CED. Those are also corresponding angles only. Corresponding angles are equal. We knew already angle ACB is equals to 78 degrees. So, angle AED also EDA or AED. Angle CED is equal to how much? 78 degrees. See, if you observe these two parallel lines, if two lines are parallel, then we can easily say that these two are corresponding angles. Forget everything. You observe only these two parallel lines, then you can say that, see, this angle ACB, angle CED. These two angles are corresponding angles. So, those are equal, that is 78 degrees. So, in this way we found the three whatever they have asked you to find out, that three angles we found. So, thank you.